guys, welcome back to my channel. I am here today to do an Ipsy Glam Box unboxing. I think this is like their Ipsy Luxe box. Now the story with me and Ipsy, I haven't had Ipsy in years. When Ipsy first started out, I understand it was a small company. You were taking these surveys. You were given these little small products or the sample size products for $10, which is fine by me. But nothing that I got I could use. So I was like, I'm paying $10 for stuff that I'm giving away or throwing away, and I really can't try. So I cut Ipsy off for a while. And then I started doing another box, which I absolutely love. I've been a member for about 2 years now. You've seen them on my channel. But Ipsy started coming out with like this deluxe box type deal, and I was like, I've seen a couple of boxes over a couple of months and it looked very interesting. So I was like, you know what? I'm going to give Ipsy one more try. So this is the June box. I know it's July. I am so sorry if you see me in the same makeup, this same shirt. I'm doing multiple videos in one day. But this is the Ipsy, the Luxe box, I think it is. And this is for the month of June. Again, I am so sorry. And a Glam Bag Plus. So just open the box and that's what it said. And it says on the inside, don't be pretty like them, be pretty like you. I like that. That's a good message. So what I'm going to do today is I'm going to open up this box and we're going to see what is in here. So I'm going to pull out the card, and this party, it says, welcome to the block party, hashtag Ipsy Block Party June 2019. And this just gives me a rundown of what is in my box. So what we're going to do is we're going to put this to the side for right now. And we're just going to get into the box. The first thing I have in this box is the Pure Cosmetics Big Look. Is this a mascara? Now see, now I got to go to the card. Yes, it's a Big Look mascara. And that is what that looks like. I'm not going to open it because I have some open already and I want to save this. But it says Pure products are formulated to live up to their slogan, all of beauty you love, none of the ingredients you don't. They're all full of skin-loving ingredients like pure shea butter, vitamins, and antioxidants. This mascara is infused with argan oil to condition and give your lashes a glossy, patent-leathered finish. With the molded wand evenly coats every lash, including the inner corners. Okay, we'll see. Love the dramatic lash look. This formula is buildable, so you can pile on as many coats as you want without it clumping. I love a mascara that does not clump because that is my pet peeve. That's my pet peeve, mascara that clumps. So that's what is in the first thing that's in this box. So the next thing I'm going to pull out is this Tetris lip crayon, and I have mine in the color Belize Bordeaux. Okay, and I got another one of these in another subscription box that I got. So this is what it looks like. And on the box it tells you you have the cover, the lip product, and a lip balm. So this is the cover, this is the product, and I'm going to swatch this color. That is what that looks like. And then it is magnetic. And then the lip balm is at the bottom. I like that. That's pretty neat. And I checked my other one because I was like, I wonder if my other one has a lip balm too. Guess what? It does. It does. And it says on here, this is the value of $25. And it says, Tetris, you know you're busy. That's why all of their products multitask as much as you will do. With this dual-ended lippy, you can create endless looks on the go, from matte to opaque, from sheer to glossy. It's got a creamy matte berry crayon on one end, a shade we're coveting for our next date night, and a moisturizing lip balm on the other. Wear them alone, pair together, or with your favorite lip products. Your call. So they trying to get some, I'm through having babies. Talking about date night. you know, date night and these other stuff. But this is a beautiful color. So, and that's the second thing is in this box. And I did not tell you what the mascara was worth. So let me go back. $21. And I think this box is $28 plus shipping. So those two products right there have paid for the box itself. So I'm actually quite happy so far. The next thing I got, and these go together. Now I'm the one to watch spoilers because I want to see what everybody else gets. Now I did see somebody who does boxes all the time. When she got this, she thought the eyeliner was dried out. And I thought, dang, I hope I don't get that. Man, I hope I don't get it. And sure enough, when my box came, I got it. But when I got my card and I looked at my card, I can get to it. It is a hydro liner and the brush. This is a water activated eyeliner. That's why it was dry. Man, I was like, dang, I hope I don't get the eyeliner. I done paid my money for this box and I get a dried out eyeliner. I'm gonna be mad. But it's not. So this is from Suva Beauty. And I have a couple of Suva Beauty products. And this eyeliner is in the color Grease. And when you get it, it is dry. But what you do is you take like a water bottle or some Fix Plus and you spray in the middle. And then you take the brush, and this is the 26 brush. And this did come as a set, and this is worth $26. So what you do is you take some Fix Plus, you wet it, and you take and you swirl it in there as opaque as you want, and then you use the liner. I'm not gonna do that today, but I will in a future video. And it also says, Suva Beauty aims to create beauty products that inspire creativity, starting with this liner and brush combo. The inky water activated cake liner glides on with a smooth matte finish to create precise lines that won't smudge or transfer. With the ultrafine 620 brush, applications is a total cinch. Its pointed tip arms you with the precision to create any line you like, from thick to thin and everything in between. And it gives a tip at the bottom, and I'm going to read the tip. To begin, wet the 26 brush and dip it in the pan. Mix with the liner, adding more water if necessary until you get a nice creamy consistency. Trace your lash line to create your eye look. Let the product air dry before twisting the cap back on. So you know how some liners you need to go ahead and twist back up before they dry out? You let this one dry out. So I'm excited to use this. So this is what this was. And like I said, this is a value of $26. The next thing that's in this box is this, how do you say this? Is it 111 skin? 111 skin? Vitamin C booster. That's what this looks like, and it says this lightweight concentrated formula is infused with firming red rice extract, vitamin C to help diminish dark spots and brighten your skin, and antioxidants to hydrate and help prevent future pigmentation and age spots. And I'm going to read the tip on this one. It says, after washing your face, mix 1 or 2 drops with your moisturizer or apply directly to your skin. Use every night for best results. I do have some dark spots that I'm trying to get rid of, y'all. So, and this thing is $180. Thank you. I don't have to buy this out of pocket. And this is what this looks like, and it is 0.68 fluid ounces. It comes with a dropper. That is what the product looks like. And I'm going to sit this down. This is 100. I'm just going to take 1 drop. Okay. I'm just going to swirl it on it. It feels like water. It doesn't have a smell. Just like a water consistency. Wasn't supposed to shake it up. Let's try that again. Shake it up first. Okay, now. Okay. You can do 1 drop again. Still that watery consistency. Okay. Doesn't have a greasy feeling. So it says use every night for results, for the best results. So I am definitely going to be putting this to the test. Most definitely. So you guys stay on the lookout for that. I'm going to give you some results because like I said, I have some dark spots over here, acne scars. So I definitely want to get rid of those. Definitely want to get rid of those. And the last thing that I'm so excited about that I got is the Tetris and Ipsy eyeshadow palette. Yo, I used to love Tetris when I was a little girl. Oh my gosh, Tetris was the... So let me get out the uni carton. This is what the uni carton looks like. And this is 6 eyeshadow palette. I think I got the number 6. This one's in Block Party, I think. That's what the outside packaging looks like. And comes with a nice mirror, and these are the colors. It comes with 6 colors. I'm so afraid to put this mirror back, y'all. That's Lily. See, you got a purple color, a pink color, a matte color, a matte like off-white, brown, kind of like a silvery taupe, and a turquoise blue. So I can't wait to use this in my in a look which will be coming really, really soon. And let's go to the card. Let's go to the card. Ha! It says Tetris and Ipsy Block Party eyeshadow palette, which is worth $24. We partnered with the iconic video game Tetris on its 35th anniversary. Y'all, I'm 40. Tetris is 35. I know you lying. Oh. To create limited edition collection celebrating our different sizes, shapes, colors, and unique beauty. This eyeshadow palette comes with 6 richly pigmented velvety buildable shades to create any eye look from subtle to smoky to bold and beyond. So yes, that palette is $24. Y'all, Tetris is $35. This is beyond me. This is beyond me. But anyway, you guys, that is my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus for the month of June. I am getting the Glam Bag Plus and then the regular Ipsy for July, so we can compare those two to see what's in it. How much is it, you know, is it really worth either the Glam Bag Plus or the regular bag? That's definitely coming really, really soon. So yeah, you guys go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit that bell for notifications, and in the meantime, in between time, be safe, be blessed, and have a wonderful day. Bye, y'all.